idiot. I had the 3 minute past 8 bus on a... Oh, you idiot! Use your f***ing mirrors!
Well, you
nearly wiped me out! Wasn't.
Oh.
Jeez. I won't say a word. Hey.
In Europe, and I spoke to him earlier in town. He was doing a visit, and I spoke to him about
Thanks, mate.
rights as a
Thank you very
disabled
much.
person, and
your petrol cap's open.
Okay, no he isn't. He was going left. I had his right indicator on. That's apparently a thing.
I don't think you ever need to be best friends and hang out all the time with your teammates. But we do a lot of...
What are your brake lights? Whoa. Brake lights? So they're going to work? They're not going to work, are they? It's slowing down right now. See, that's no brake lights, do you?
What are you doing? You're not there.
You go in. That's right, you just walk right in front of me, mate. Don't you worry about a thing. You press the button for the crossing, but because I'd right away. Where are you going? There's no U-turn or something. No idea. Alright. Oh, so go overtake me, shoot at that side road, swing a U-turn, drive over the pavement and drop into a parking spot, yeah? Well done, mate.
generally, I don't vote or that he buys the same way as everybody else. He is the exception.
Loving the stickers on the Subaru. Very good.
Than any other are people who voted for Labour last time and.
Thank God you came. How many more days can I make plans with you?
You stupid! Well done! Well done!
that knob. Drive around with no bloody lights on.
That will be. You see him off. Again, look. Just. How am I supposed to get through that? On the line? Right.
Yeah, sound.
Yep, it's the Humber Super Snipe automatic. Lovely.
If the doctors have done it and it's safe, you know.
What's that?
What's that? What's that?
Just threw a water bottle out his window.
Who did? The guy in front?
No, the one in front of that one.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, litter bug, eh? Was it that bottle there by the side of the road?
Yeah.
What a bell end. No, yeah.
Don't use your phone while driving, mate. Huh? Would you rather I tell you or a police officer pull you over and give you 6 points? Whatever. Now, good people, we have a one-way street. How has this Mercedes managed that trick?
Also, I don't think as big of a part of Pokemon to everyone as the people who use it all the time.
Ooh, someone just got caught in the red light.
Who buy the games and
Jesus Christ. Come on, man, go.
I didn't realise this was 3 lanes.
The government needs to start looking at this and saying, is this value for money?
Let's see how many people are going to overtake this bus into oncoming traffic. Let's see how many people are going to do that. Don't do it, don't do it. Oh, for f***ing sake, that's it. Drive right into oncoming traffic. Knew that was going to happen. That's one. Oh, bus is pulling off now. You may as well let him pull off. Morons.